To start a debugging session, click on the debug icon on the top right of the script editor. Start by placing breakpoints on the lines you would like to inspect on runtime by clicking on the script gutter. A new breakpoint entry is automatically added to the debugger panel. Next, turn on the debugger on the panel and click Debug. The debugger will automatically stop on the first code line on the script. Go to your first breakpoint by clicking Continue. You can stop on the next code line by clicking Step Over. This allows you to debug your code line by line. Inspect the runtime values of your variables and parameters by using the variable table. You can also inspect the values of the system variables. Filter the table to focus on your variables of interest by using the filter drop-down. You can add as many variables as you like. Navigate to a subprocess by clicking Step In while stopped on a code line that call the execute process function. The debugger will automatically open the subprocess and stop on its first code line. Breakpoints can also be added to the subprocess. Return to the caller process by clicking Step Out. Breakpoints can be added or removed during the debugging session. Conditional breakpoints are created by adding an expression on the breakpoints table. The expression must evaluate to true or false and can contain references to any variables and parameters. Conditional breakpoints are shown in the gutter as green, while regular breakpoints are red. Hover over the conditional breakpoint to see the expression. You can also see the runtime values of your variables and parameters by hovering over them on the script. The conditional breakpoint will only pause the execution if the expression evaluates to true. Finish the debugging session by clicking Continue to the end or cancel the current run by clicking Stop Execution.